Hi everyone, it's Shana from WTI. Have your glass or ceramic cooktop looking brand new over and over again with this dynamic duo. This is the scrubbing pad and the scraper from Cerama Bryte. This is my go-to when I need to clean off my stove when it needs a little TLC. I do like to put any non-abrasive cleaning solution on there, and then I use the scrubbing pad to rub it all over my stove. I use the same pad to scrub, and then I use the scraper to scrape until I feel like the job is done. And I use any non-abrasive cleaning towel to wipe it all away, and my stove is looking brand new. What I do love about this is that even though there is a sharp blade, there is a safety feature on here. You can open and close the blade with ease so that you're always safe. So these two together is the dynamic duo. They're both tough enough to get the job done, yes, yet they're gentle enough that they won't scratch your cooktop, and that's my point of view.